How to claim cashback voucher on Binance. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, open your Binance app and you can see this kinds of page. Just click to the main icon in the top left side, and then you can see lots of options. Just update your Binance app for this kinds of interface, and then just click to the reward center, which is second number. First one is task manager, second one is reward center. So click to the reward center and then wait a couple of seconds. You can see lots of voucher is showing there. So if you want to redeem the reward voucher, then just click to the redeem options. When you click to the redeem options, just you have see a pop-up that claim. Just click to the claim options. After that, you can see the redeem option is now taken. After that, you can see when you come to the wallet options, you can see your cryptos will be showing there. So that's the process I can claim vouchers on Binance. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.